Hello guys, how you doing? So I received so many messages of people trying their best to create content and it's not working out. So this is the video for you. You might want to watch this. So I call this the Arrow framework. So the first one here, the first one I have for you here is reuse. Reuse your content. Try as much as possible to go back to your top performing post. Go through it. Definitely will see something and you can start creating from there. You don't need to start from the scratch. Go back to your old posts, read through. You can create more content from that same content. The second one is rewind. So look at past chats, comments, or messages. What have been said that can be turned into a fresh content. Maybe you worked for a client and they said some nice things to you, maybe a review or a comment, screenshot it and turn that into a post. You can sell yourself, you are capable, you have done this job before. When you do that, people will engage and people will reach out to you. So rewind, go back to the past, check for comments, reviews, testimonials, and use them in your content. So the next one is reasoning. All right, what do you see that others might miss? Audit your experiences and perspective. Your unique take is the key to engaging content. There are some people that see patterns, what others can't see. There are some people that see those things and they talk about it. Try as much as possible to capitalize on that and start creating content around those things. Definitely you have your own audience. The next one here is record. People love seeing the process. Record yourself doing something related to your expertise. Behind the scene content is always a hit. Try as much as possible to document your journey, right? People love to see how you started from scratch. Maybe you started creating content, something. Just try as much as possible to give your audience behind the scene content. They will love to see that and definitely will engage with it. The next one is repurpose, right? Think about past posts or content you have created that may have been forgotten. Remember, let's say 6 months ago, let's say you have 2,000 followers 6 months ago. Now you have 10,000 followers. Go back and you can repurpose those content. You upload them or repost them so that your new audience can see it. Give them a new life. You can add something to it. Just try as much as possible to go back to your previous post. Either you repost it or you can re-upload it. The next one here is retell. Your story is always worth telling. Never be afraid to revisit and share your journey. Your story is your story. Nobody can take that away from you. So try as much as possible to reshare your story. You can share your story the way you like. The next one is re-answer. Got a question in your DM, right? Or comment section. Use it as an opportunity to create content that give answers to those questions. So many people, they have questions in their mind, but they don't know who to ask or where to get answers from. Get those comments, get those questions from your DMs, your comments. Try as much as possible to answer them in your post. The last one here is recelebrate. Recelebrate. You have achieved a milestone. Why not celebrate them again? Recap your wins to inspire and to motivate your followers. Like I said, your story is your story. Maybe last month you were struggling with something. Now you are okay. Try as much as possible to celebrate yourself on the platform. People love to see that and they would want to engage with you.